Okay, so we are just going to kind of go over how to make a very basic and simple website. And I'm not going to get into super specifics. I feel like you can, there's a lot of videos, a lot of tutorials. On exactly what HTML is and what CSS is. My best recommendation as a resource is W3 Schools because a lot of the stuff that I'm going to be using is coming directly from them. Okay, so if you've got questions, just kind of go to W3 Schools. They can kind of get into the specifics. But we here are going to be using Visual Studio Code, just kind of put together a quick website. I love Visual Studio Code because it's like really easy to kind of get from point A to point B very fast. And so I've already got a little folder here called tutorial. That's where we're going to be putting our HTML file in. So most of the time when you're starting a website, you start with index.html. And from here, what's great is that I love is that with Visual Studio Code, all you got to do is type HTML and then you go to 5, tab, and boom, you already have most of a website. I mean, you hit save. I've got Prettier installed. Prettier is an extension that cleans up your code for you, makes it look pretty, which is what they promised to do. So yeah, I would recommend having Prettier installed along with Emmet if you've got that can help you to kind of if you're good with Emmet code, that can help you a lot too. But this is just all basic stuff. So right now, if we were to look at the site, I've also got Live Server installed. So Live Server is another extension that you're going to want to get installed. You put Live Server open with Live Server, and you can see what your website looks like already, which right now is blank. If we were to change the document title, which is just the title portion that goes like right at the top of your screen there. Let's just change this to tutorial site, hit save. We look tutorial site, see how that changed? That's fun. So from here, let's say we want to go with like a basic nav bar. What we're going to do is we're going to get some code here. This is all from W3 Schools. So what I would recommend is if you just grab some of this code and put it here, and we're going to call this section nav, and that keeps everything semantic and pretty looking. So if I hit save right now and I go to my page, we've got this. Okay, and so we want to make that look nice, so we're going to put some CSS styles. So if we type style right into our head, and from here we're going to throw in a bunch of styles. So we are going to first get some list styles, and why don't I just kind of show you as we get things going what I'm changing. Okay, so look. Okay, so the first thing that we did was we targeted our list and we made it so that they were inline, so now they're all right next to each other. And then from here what we can do is we can make it look a whole lot different. So if we just get this, we're actually going to override this, hit save, boom, look at that. I mean, already you have a really nice little nav section. Okay, so this can be used, so like let's say you want to give yourself, you want to change, see where it says home. So this is like if you wanted a one-pager site, but we're going to make a three-pager site. So this is going to be for index.html. We're going to have news.html. We're going to have contact.html. So this is just to make a few different websites, different pages here. Oh yeah, can't forget about.html. This is so awesome. And this is all directly from W3 Schools, guys. So I mean, really, this is doing a lot of the work for you here. So we are going to just copy this, and we are going to paste, 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 and we are going to rename some of these to news and rename about and rename contact. Look at that. All right, so index, news, contact, and about. So we already got a little website going. How nice. All right, and then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of content. So let's see. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add what's called the hero image. Okay, and it sounds just as epic as you would think it is. So under nav, we're going to go and we're just going to add this little hero section on the index page. So, oh no, I did that to the contact page. There we go. All right, no, let's change that. Let's go back. Save index page. Boom. Okay, so now back at the index page, and we are going to just add some CSS. Ooh, look at that. See, and this is also quick and easy. I mean, this is directly from W3. We just need to add an image now. So what, do we have like a good image we can use? Photographer.jpg. So we need a photographer.jpg. So I'm just going to Google photographer, and we're just going to get ourselves a nice picture. Here we go. This is perfect. Copy image, or actually, hold on. Open image, new tab. Not what I wanted. Image, new tab. Okay, here. I'm going to use my Paint, the old-fashioned MS Paint. See, I just got this from Google, and we're going to go to our folder that we're working on all this in. Tutorial, and we're going to call this a JPEG photographer. Save. Boom. Oh my God, look at this website already. All right, so now we have like a pretty solid little website. Okay, and let's say we want better fonts. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google Fonts. Okay, trending. Roboto's always trending. We want something. Let's see. So we're going to do sans serif. Geometric. Montserrat is always a popular one. DM Sans. Quicksand. Let's go Quicksand. You know what? Easy peasy. I'm going to do get font, and I'm going to remove. Okay, so get font. I got this here. So we're going to go to get embed code, and we're going to do import. And I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to add this to my style section. Okay. Okay, and now we want for pretty much everything. Hold on here. I'm gonna just get this. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Wait 1 second. Sorry, guys. Okay, go back to our page. I'm going to show you the magic of Google Fonts. So, body font family is going to be, we just want to add Quicksand. So, Quicksand, save. And look at that. Look at that. I mean, already, I mean, this website looks great. I mean, in what, a few minutes here, I've made a pretty solid site. Obviously, we need to add more content than that, but we'll do that later. And this is all just using basic HTML. So anybody who says, oh, you need to know Bootstrap, oh, you need to know all these different frameworks. I mean, literally, all this was just copied directly from W3 Schools. So that's how quick and easy it is to make a website, guys. Just if you have any questions, DM me.